Mini sleepball.
That's cool. Okay, this one first.
Yep.
What the heck? I swear this is blooper central.
It's a secret because it's a blooper.
It literally has one of these red strings and it's still gold.
I want everything, so I can never really. We can never go wrong on that one.
Cool.
Yeah. I have the honor. Correct. Oh, you're cheating! No, look at the card.
I'm not looking at it. I'm taking the card out and I'm putting it here.
Oh, it's not a secret.
Huh?
It's not a secret.
How can you tell?
Because it's not a different card. It's supposed to be like looking very good if it's a secret. Ready?
Ready?
Ta-da! Oh shit, this is a Christmas tree? Christmas tree. Yeah, it's cute. Where's the Christmas tree there? Right here.
Show it to the camera.
It's so cute. Ta-da. I actually like it because it has its own. Baby, I kind of want the entire set now. It's
Oh
hella
god.
cute. It's really hella cute. Look, it's very soft. Right?
It is cute.
Look, the eyes too. Ta-da! Aww. It's very dark. But the eyes has 3 options. It's hella cute, man. I kinda wanna get more. But then I'm scared that I will get a double. They don't have a case. Can I get the set? Love. Maybe I'm gonna get the set. Okay, Kuromi time. The Sanyo that I like. The character that I like. It's all Kuromi, so I can never go wrong. There is a warm yellow Kuromi, an aqua Kuromi, a pink white Kuromi, a mint chocolate Kuromi, a navy blue Kuromi, and a mocha. Well, another a secret too. So there's 7 choices. Let's open. It's a secret. Oh, this is top toy too, love.
Oh shit.
We can actually get this in Japan too. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
You want to open this one?
Sure.
I got the card.
You got the card already?
I see the card. Oh, I know what it is.
Oh no. Wait. Oh, it's a sailor.
Navy blue. It's navy blue Kuromi. Okay. Sailor kind of. They actually have different dresses, huh?
Yeah, it's this one.
Yeah, I actually like this dress, the aqua one. Or the pink white one. I wonder what's this. Can you look at the secret love what it looks like?
I'll look it up. Here, take this.
Ooh! Ooh! It's actually hard face. And then very soft head. But the face is hard. It's actually good. It's actually a good quality. It's actually very cute. Oh my god, it's hella cute. Okay, bye.